Hello everyone. Let's sew a unique collection of holiday pillows from KSTN Studio for the upcoming Christmas season. These decorative pieces instantly bring a festive atmosphere to any interior, and trust me, everyone will ask where you got them. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to sew a 3D Christmas tree pillow. This is a very simple and enjoyable project, perfect even for beginners. All you need is the right fabric that will give your pillow the desired structure, an invisible zipper, and pillow stuffing. You can skip adding the zipper and close the pillow with an invisible hand stitch, but I highly recommend installing the zipper. It gives you easy access to remove the filling and wash your pillow whenever needed. First of all, remember to transfer all the notches from the pattern onto your fabric pieces. This will make the entire sewing process much faster and easier. The notches help you align the fabric precisely, ensuring that every section fits perfectly into place. Thanks to this, your pillow will have a clean, professional finish. Start by sewing in the invisible zipper. Make sure both pillow panels align perfectly after the zipper is installed. This step is key to achieving a clean, symmetrical finish. If you prefer to skip the zipper, simply sew the top and bottom edges together, leaving an opening in the middle. This gap will allow you to turn the pillow right side out after stitching and give you access to fill it. For stuffing, I recommend using silicone fiber fill, which keeps the pillow soft, resilient, and evenly shaped. Join the two side panel pieces together, making sure to match top to top and bottom to bottom. Proper alignment here ensures that the shape of the pillow forms correctly and the seams remain clean and even. Attach the side panel to the entire length of the main pillow panel. I like to baste or secure the fabric at each notch first, all the way around the pillow. This method allows me to ease the fabric evenly between the notches and guarantees that everything matches up perfectly. As a result, the pillow keeps its intended shape and has a clean, professional finish. You can also clip or pin the pieces together. Choose whichever method feels most comfortable for you. Before attaching the back panel, remember to open the zipper. This opening is what you'll use to turn the pillow right side out once all the seams are sewn. It will also give you access to fill the pillow generously all the way to the edges. Make small snips in every corner of the pillow and along all curved edges. This is an important step. It releases the tension in the fabric so it can lay smoothly once the pillow is filled. After clipping the curves and corners, turn the pillow right side out and fill it generously. Make sure to push the stuffing evenly into every point and corner. This will give your Christmas tree pillow a beautifully full and polished look. Thank you for sewing along. You've just created your own winter Christmas tree pillow. Be sure to visit my Etsy shop to check out the patterns for the iconic candy cane pillow and the snowflake pillow. Available in 2 sizes. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new sewing project. You can also follow me on social media. The link is in the description. See you next time.